In this video, I will show you how to create a dashboard in ClickUp. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Go to the left bar and look for Dashboard. You will then select New Dashboard. You can choose a dashboard template and select which data source it comes from. Once you have created your dashboard, you can then add widgets or cards by going to the right corner and selecting Add Card. So I'm going to select Task List, and it is going to come from my business launch. I would also like to add another card, Workload by Status, and I will choose the same data source and add card. Once my widgets or cards have been added, I can then move them around to my desired layout by simply clicking it and dragging it across. Use this dashboard to monitor overall progress and workload. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.